I'm going to walk you through how I made 40 liters of all-purpose liquid soap. I use it for so many things: to wash your clothes, clean the house, of course wash plates, your car, everything. Okay, so let's get started. At first I measured 20 liters of water into my big bath. Okay, so guys, this is a nitro soap. You see, the person I bought it from, she did so well. She numbered everything. This is stage 1. You see how she did it. So the first thing you do is to dissolve the nitrosol into the water inside the big bath. Okay, pour it in and dissolve it very well, very well. I will advise you wear face mask while you're doing this. Okay, so if you look very well, you can see that this is evening time. Mosquito won't finish me, so I had to light up my mosquito coil. This is a caustic soda. Okay, so you're going to add it into a small bowl, add water, and then dissolve it. I will advise you wear hand glove because this is too actually hot. You can burn your hand. Nitro soap is already thickening. Are you seeing it? So after dissolving the caustic soda, it has dissolved so well. You now pour it into the mixture. Stir. So the next thing is to measure 5 liters of water separately in another bowl. Okay, so we are going to dissolve our XLS inside the bowl. Okay, the XLS is grainy, is like rice. Okay, so you take like some time. Your arm will hurt you a little while turning all these things. So take your time, pour it into the 5 liters of water in a separate bowl and mix till it dissolves completely. Okay, just keep watching. So in the same bowl where you dissolved your SLS, you are going to add your STPP. Okay, STPP, you add it into that same bowl. Okay, and mix as well. That's why I told you that there is a lot of mix in this thing, but I mean, it's worth it. Okay, at the end of everything, is worth it. So the next thing we are going to dissolve still in that bowl is soda ash. Okay, that is a total of 3 chemicals or items that we dissolved in that separate bowl. Okay, so we're going to pour in our soda ash, dissolve it completely, and after that, can you see how thick it is? Like, you cannot see any grain, all are dissolved. And after that, okay guys, we moved back to our big bath. Okay, we are going to pour that mixture into the big bath, and this is where the main work begins. You start to turn, guys. You mix your turn, okay. In a separate bowl also, we are going to dissolve our sulfonic. Our sulfonic comes in 2 bottles. So we are going to pour the 2 bottles into the bowl and then also pour a tazapon, okay, inside it, and then dissolve the 2 together. So you're going to dissolve the 2 together by mixing them thoroughly, okay? You can see what the mixture looks like after dissolving the 2 of them, okay? So I poured the mixture into the big bath, okay? So you're going to turn this, you're going to mix until it becomes clear. Now the main work begins. So guys, you have to relax while doing this, okay? So luckily for me, my big sister was there with me, so she helped me to turn this because that is where the main job is, okay? So at this point, we added foam booster to the mixture, okay? So like I told you guys, you have to turn this, you have to turn this. I wasn't timing it. I would have told you maybe turn for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes, but you have to turn it until it becomes clear. Like, so the next thing I added was perfume. So your liquid soap needs to have a very good scent. So next I dissolved my color. Okay, I chose a green color. So you can choose any color of your choice. They have so many options like yellow, orange, blue, green. So that's what I chose. Okay, also pour it into the big mixture and stir as well. Okay, so guys, remember I told you we are making 40 liters of liquid soap. At first I added 20 liters, if you can remember. Then I used 5 liters to dissolve the tezapone and sulfonic. All right, and that makes it 25 liters. So now I'm going to add extra 15 liters, okay, to make it 40 liters. All right. So after adding the 40 liters, I noticed that it was still thick. Even my big sister told me that I should add more water. So I added another 5 liters of water, making it total of 45 liters of liquid soap that we made. All right. So see, you are in Nigeria and you don't do this kind of thing for yourself. I wonder what you're doing, you know, to ease things off a little bit. So I actually use this each time I make it. I use it for 4 months. Okay, so we use it to wash cars, clean the whole house, wash the rag, wash plates. Maybe sometimes my boys use it to wash their clothes. Like they say, it foams very well. The thing, guess what? Do you know how much I bought these items? Just for 10,000 naira. You use it to buy a liquid soap that will last you for 4 months in your 4 months plus. I even gave out to some people, my friends, you know, and my neighbors. All right, so please, this is actually very good for you to do. Okay, see, if you're not doing anything, you know, to reduce costs in this Nigeria, and I wonder what you're doing. Okay, so please, I don't need to keep this. That's why I'm sharing. All right, so this is me pouring them into my container. That is the 6 liters container. So let's see how many containers I got out of this. You remember we used 45 liters of water. So finally, this is 24 hours later. Okay, you can see everything has settled now. Guys, I got 9 rubbers. Okay, so you can multiply this. I didn't fill it up. So let's just say 5 liters. 5 times 9 was 45 liters that we got exactly. Although I gave out some to my house girl, my house help, sorry. I gave her some, like I think about 3 liters. Yeah. So guys, tell me in the comment section, do you think I gained? Okay, how much do you think I gained from this, having this amount of liquid soap in my house with just 10,000 so naira? Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this, and in case you need the contact of the seller, the person that sold the product to me, just write on the comment section and I will send you her contact. Okay, so thank you guys and bye. See you next time, and follow me for more videos.